Okay, so this is the ministry set of flashcards. This is not the printed version. This is the set that you had ordered and shipped to you, but you can get the printed version and then make your own flashcards. Necesito is one that's very similar. That's very common because it's in your See It and Say It pouch. Your See It and Say It box set as well. So one of the first. It's actually in the first lesson. Necesito. I need. Necesito. But what we're going to be focusing on today is the verb leer. Leer. So we're going to practice a few verbs and then change up what we want to say with them. So to read, leer. Necesito leer. This is a great way to practice. If you need to add more opportunities to change up what they're going to say, you can use the word no. So here's just a little scrap of paper. It doesn't have to be pretty. A little scrap of paper that I had from earlier. I don't need to read. No necesito leer. This lesson is just to get you going on your ministry set. How do I put together sentences? What can I say? No necesito leer. This one is quiero. I want. Quiero leer. Quiero leer. No quiero leer. No quiero leer. In fact, here, we don't even have to do it. I've got one. No quiero. No quiero leer. All right, let's change the verb now. Well, let's practice that one more time. No quiero leer. Quiero leer. Necesito leer. On yours at home, it's okay to flip it over and sound it out if you need to, but you really want to focus on the photo side up. Remember, all your lessons need to be, 15 minutes or so, maybe less, to make sure that it sticks and it's a good lesson for you. All right, another simple one. How about to help? Ayudar. Necesito ayudar. Necesito ayudar. Necesito ayudar. With this one, you can add the word con. I need to help with con mi mamá. Con mi ropa, with my clothes. Con mi escuela, with my school. Con whatever. So the word con and then any kind of noun over here is a great way to add some more options for making a sentence. Okay? How about I want to help? Quiero ayudar. Quiero ayudar. And then, hopefully you don't say this one very often. No quiero ayudar. If you do need to say that, you can say lo siento. I'm sorry. Lo siento, pero no quiero ayudar. Not a good idea. Let's do this one. Quiero ayudar. Sí, quiero ayudar. Necesito ayudar. Necesito ayudar. All right, this one's to pray. Orar. Necesito orar. Orar. Necesito orar. So anytime somebody asks you, have you made a decision? Necesito orar. Quiero orar. Quiero orar más. Quiero orar para todos. Oops. For everybody. Quiero orar para todos. And then whenever you're in a bad mood and you're grouchy and you know the Lord has some dealing with you, no quiero orar. Sometimes you don't want to, pero necesito orar. Necesito hablar. Necesito hablar. No necesito hablar. To talk. Necesito hablar. Quiero hablar. Quiero hablar. No quiero hablar. All right, let's do one more. This one's a heavy one. No quiero, no me gusta. No quiero. All right. Perdonar. Perdonar. To forgive. And it's a very true statement. Necesito perdonar. The Bible even says, tengo que, right? Tengo que, I have to forgive. Looking for it, I don't see it right here. Tengo que, necesito, this one's necesito perdonar. Necesito perdonar. You can put somebody's name over here, or a family member or a friend. You would just use the word a in front of it. So, necesito perdonar a mis amigos. Necesito perdonar a mi vecino, my neighbor. Necesito perdonar a mi hermano. Necesito perdonar a mi padre, a mi madre, a mi hijo, a mi hija. So it's a great way to use family words, family names, and practice that. I want to forgive. Sometimes we want to, but it's hard to. Quiero perdonar. Quiero perdonar. No quiero. A lot of times that's very common. No quiero perdonar. Quiero perdonar. Necesito perdonar. Okay, so these are the ones that you've learned today. Let's see how we do. So at the end of every time we practice, we'll go back through all of them. Look at this. It's quite a few that we went over. Oops, not ear. We didn't do ear. I'm going to mix them all up. Oh, I don't want to put that one first. Orar. Hopefully that goes in the I know it pile. If it doesn't, watch the video again and practice, or just go over them in your hand. Ayudar. Perdonar. Leer. Quiero. No quiero. Hablar. Necesito. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that little lesson and it made your life richer, and maybe you can use some of these phrases this week.